Stop.
Oh.
Hands up. Lift your t-shirt.
Don't tickle me. Has it decreased?
How many kilometers did you run?
4 kilometers I ran. 10 minutes, 10 seconds.
Which route?
No one route only.
Is it true, Appu? I know it's lie. My Appu don't lie.
He's your pet, right?
I don't even know when will you change. I simply keep just dreaming about it.
You can dream whatever you want. But please keep Salman Khan little away. If I try to make six-pack, then later on you have to pack me up. I'm very much hungry, darling. Please give me something to eat. It's been ages since I ate idlis.
No matter what you say, no idlis and chutneys for you. Only bitter gourd juice.
Oh my God.
And you just keep eating everything you like and look at you how you are.
What is wrong in my looks, you tell me, darling?
What is wrong? You look like a pig swallowed python. You can be used like a scarecrow in a garden.
Her eyes are so much dangerous. Bitter gourd. Because of this guy, I am not able to eat 2 delicious idlis also properly. Bro, if you show muscles in cinemas, you'll get in crores. If this poor Keshav master shows muscles, means what will he get?
Take it. It is for nervous system. Eat it. And later go to the school.
Huh? Still you haven't lost belief in me, right? Hey, these people are calling me always to act in the advertisement of this product.
Then you'll be very popular in this town.
What is it? If you increase the doses, I will not be seen anywhere.
If it's so you can die, I can take care of it.
Huh?
Paying cash, I have bought washing machine. Still, I only have to wash everything. Electricity bill will increase. Jacket's hook will go off. Saree color will fade. Always these complaints only.
Why are you keeping that on your shoulders?
If I keep it down, ants will bite. If I keep it on head, lice will bite.
The way you're talking is like as if I have some sugar complaints with me. Huh?
I just told for rhyming sake, Vasu.
Okay, finish this fast. There is lot of work in the kitchen.
Her big kitchen.
1, 2, lunchtime. 3, 4, crunch time. Lyrics that I spit to make rain turn to sunshine. Hit him with the punchline, catch him on the blind side. Fillet the M. Thought you got away, thought you were home free, but I'm back, now your eyes closed so slowly. I move quickly, you so sickly. Bubblegum rapper, you such you got away.
What are you thinking?
Yes, Vasundhara. Sometimes I keep thinking that in my previous birth I was a cook. Sometimes I think I was a laundry boy.
Oh,
Sometimes I think I am a sweeper.
whatever it is, you are a lucky man. In this birth, you've got all of this together, no?
Yes. In my previous birth, if I was a girl...
What do you mean? What else are you in this birth?
You keep quiet. You don't respect me at all.
How can I respect you? See, don't be so lazy like this. Finish all the work and leave to office first.
Yeah, big office. It's fine if I go at any time. But here, it is not like that, no.
Is the breakfast ready?
Yes.
Huh.
London Bridge is falling down. London. Shall I put? No need. I only have to wash. Who's there? Driver, let's go. Come on, fast. Let's go to station. My hands are pricking. Come on, fast.
Yeshode! Ayyo, that was my coat! I had only one coat!
If you're not going to the court, why do you need the coat? The kind of work you do doesn't have a particular dress code. It doesn't matter what you wear. You can go without wearing clothes also.
What work is that?
Oh, do you want me to tell that? Despite of embarrassing me, you're showing attitude. See what I'll do now.
Yeshode, don't do that!
I will end all your drama today. If I ask you to buy me a sari, you say you're always busy. If someone else asks you to buy something, the whole sari shop is here.
Oh, Yashoda, listen to what I have to say. That's the evidence that I have to submit to the court. Yesterday they have kept it in my car and I forgot. See, if you do this, he will lose his job.
They have not even removed the sticker. Is this evidence? You do all kind of nonsense, but pose like a decent fellow in front of people. I am mad, I'm the one who doubts.
Good morning.
Here he comes.
Oh, started fighting with his wife. I only have to save him now. Hey, Mr. Lawyer, who gave you LLB certificate? You are keeping all the evidence on the car. Don't you have brains?
Don't fool me like this. If this is evidence, why don't you keep it in your Jeep's boot?
Oh, look, sister. You want to burn car as well as the cloth, right? If it is my wife, she will wrap this cloth around my neck and she will burn me off. Okay, I will leave. You stupid lawyer.
Who is this at this time? Oh, is it Geeta? Manju, come have a look. Come inside.
Sister.
Oh my God. Why are you crying? Don't worry, we all are here. Manju, please take her inside.
Come. Have you taken any decision regarding Geeta? I'll have to tear all this and throw it away.
Hey, don't do that. It is actually college students' future.
Think of the family first. Think of others later on. Why don't you talk to them once personally?
Why would I actually speak with them? Always the same thing. Dowry, family feuds, arguments with mother-in-law. At last it comes until kids issue.
Poor girl. When I think of her, I feel if she had a kid, she wouldn't have so much problems. There should be at least one reason to live, right? I'm afraid if she takes some wrong steps.
I've had a conversation with Balan many times. Let him come. I'll have a word with him. According to me, this problem has just one solution. They have to adopt a child or else end their relationship.
Oh, this was the idea you were about to give?
In that case, you can do one thing. You tell me Balan's mother's name and her exact address, including pin code.
Why do you need that?
To write an anonymous letter.
Oh, you're literally killing me.
This Pamba Shaker, before giving the money, he has learned to how to take it back. Since the day one, I'm telling you, you should pay the interest properly. You bloody idiot! I will go to court. I will go to the police station if you do this drama again and again. I'll show you who the Xavier is.
Bomb Savior. Why have you reduced when you have King Cobra and Anaconda? Why this normal snake? You could have increased the poison, right?
If you kill them in one shot, there'll be no thrill, sir. Kill them inch by inch. Blood will ooze out softly.
Very nice, Bomb. To kill and eat, who are you, man? While joining in the school, just by adding Bomb in your name, you will not become big rowdy. Don't show your strength in front of small kids. If you have guts, hit me. Hit me if you can.
I don't interfere in others' business. If they interfere, I won't leave them, sir.
It's very nice. You think you're Rajinikanth? See now what I do. Come, let's go. How many times I've told you not to show all these things? Where you had hidden this, man?
I have everything.
Come, get down and pour it.
Full setup is ready.
Quickly put 2 pegs.
Ah, shut up, sir. In the duty timings. I'm not scared of police anymore. If Vasundhara's sister and Cicely comes by this way, all the future death funerals will be done in one single package.
As I'm in uniform, she will never try to hit me. She'll think about it.
If I think about your matters, I'll be laughing alone sometimes. You have a licensed gun and you have a bullet also. But you can't fire anything,
Will
right?
you keep quiet? Man should keep up his words. It's been 8 months. You had told me that you will break her leg, you remember? Simply you're bluffing around with me.
Look, my brother. Since you told me that you're going to come late, I have sent my people to your house. Power cut time. There was something lying like a buffalo. After pushing it so hard and we saw who it was.
Who was it?
It was you. Who else it can be?
Oh my god. Did they beat you?
Hey, they have come inside by working so hard. That's why we just landed some punches, that's
Oh
all.
no, that is the matter. That's why it was difficult to pee around today. Oh no, simply I doubted my dear Vasundhara today. Still it was insulting to me. Without any reasons. If they say they will punch me in stomach.
Listen, if I was in that situation, I would have also done the same. If you don't have money to buy some shorts, you could have asked me, right? Okay.
Did they shoot in mobile? If it becomes viral, then I will shoot you.
Look at this person, he's going to go viral.
Am I so ugly? Sir, it's the party people who made it big issue, sir. I will come and speak to you personally. Yes, sir, I will come. Commissioner, this person always hits my head. Come start the vehicle.
What about me?
You go somehow. Listen, don't finish it off, okay? Evening we'll call the master and lawyer and we'll drink, okay?
No. Brother!
Whatever it is, we'll speak in the evening.
Brother, listen
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Namaste. What, man? Any quotation?
No, sir, we are going to work.
Okay. Leave. Cecily,
I told you to sit and study at home.
I've learnt everything, Cecily. Written imposition also.
Something seems to be wrong.
Nothing, Cecily. I can promise on God, nothing.
Then keep your hand on my head and promise me.
That's all right. I can do it. Your promise.
Do you have only one hand or what?
Okay then. I promise on you.
Keep two hands and promise.
No,
No.
Cecily,
Just take out your hand.
No.
You come here.
No, sorry. No, it hurts.
Sir, do you need any assistance?
No, I don't need anything. This is my wife. This is a family sentiment. You guys just leave.
Okay, boss.
If there is any job, I'll call you.
I'll be ready, sir.
My darling Cecily, when we're inside the house, you do whatever you want. I won't say a thing about it. When we're outside, please don't do like this, please. You're such a sweetheart, right?
Rowdy. Just get out of my
Okay. Stand up. I'll hold you and say it.
Hey, don't you worry, man. Don't take any decisions in hurry-burry.
What is this? Stop crying and tell us what happened.
His wife Cecily, she's admitted him for degree in Kamaraj University without even informing him.
People are dying to get the admission over there. She wants you to study, not to get spoiled, man.
Even if she does that, I'll tolerate. If she asks me to study today,
If she does,
that day, I will be dead.
Hey, is there any way to cancel the admission without her knowledge? Lawyer.
liar.
Hey, what you're doing there? Come here.
Always like this.
With whom you keep talking always on phone?
This is that my own wife, Yashoda. I don't know who invented this WhatsApp, messages and everything. Where are you? When are you coming? This is the only thing she asked me. Gone case. This is a bigger issue than a mobile with no GPS.
After she sleeps only I am able to go to home. By keeping a dead horse, she always want to go for race. She is so much stubborn. She never allows me to sleep.
Even I have same problem. She doesn't even like me at all. She says I'm not having glamour. She wants to change my teeth also. At this age, she wants me to go to gym and make six packs like Salman Khan. She wants me to remove this dress and wear Bermudas and t-shirt like yo-yo kids and wants me to roam around in 100cc bike.
If we allow them to be like this only, they will literally finish us seriously.
As I know, there is only one way to break their attitude.
What is the way?
Drinking like this.
Dark beach.
Good idea.
Do that.
Okay. Don't talk. Enough. Tight it now. Tight it.
Stop. It's enough.
By the way, lawyer, have you finished beautician course along with the LLB?
What are you talking? To paint this black face, you need to finish a beautician course.
Let this be a beginning. If it is successful, we will do the same thing for the rest of the people also. 1, 2, 3.
Today definitely Vasundhara's hands, legs will be broken.
Let us teach them a big lesson.
You need to hit the Yashoda in head.
Then in that case, I'm going to give Cecily 2 punches and 3 kicks. I'll show her karate. Ask her to come.
Look here, brother. I'm telling you out of my experience. You have to start beating her only after you make sure she's sleeping, okay?
What are you talking, brother? This is a small case. In a locked room, a person is sleeping. That too, it is a woman. After turning off light, you take a iron rod and hit her hands, legs and everywhere. That's all. It's a simple job. Don't you think so?
He is telling that he is going to hit hands and legs, that too for a sleeping lady.
Sure. There is no place for right and wrong over here. This is a battlefield. Here only war.
What type of motivation is this?
Enough. They are going to come now. Come on, get up. This is enough. Brother, all the best to you.
Okay.
Keep one thing in your mind. It's fine with any leg, but hand, it has to be right hand only.
What is that?
I mean,
Stupid.
What are you talking, boss?
Not you.
He was telling to me.
Yeah, to you only.
What is it?
Listen, otherwise, this guy has to suffer lifelong with her. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All this.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay then. I'll finish the job and call you. You should come quickly. If not, I'm going to sleep here only.
Okay, let's live.
Leave now.
Good
Go
night.
fearlessly. Jai Jingao. Tambi sir. You said this hand, right? Okay.
He doesn't even know which is right and which is left. I am scared that his hands and legs are going to break off. Such a big an idiot you are. Look at here. See. This is the right hand. This is left hand.
This is left hand.
You have to break this right hand. Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, I got it.
In case if you have any doubt, the hand which you use to wash your ass, that is the left hand. You remember, opposite to that hand only is right hand. Do you understand?
Then this is right hand. This is left hand.
Brainy guy, you understood?
Yes.
Now you have to be successful. Remember right hand. What, Tambi? Will this guy do it properly? What to do if our plan gets spoiled?
who is the master brain for this?
Who?
Oh,
Yes, I value Tambi man.
I did not understand.
Listen to me, lawyer.
Ah.
It's confirmed that she's going to come late today.
Ah.
I even know that this idiot will sleep off after some time. I also know that she's going to kill him off today. IPC 302. It's confirmed that she'll get life sentence.
Which section is that? That is a Gunda Act, isn't
you
it?
stupid. Shut up and come.
Eh?
One more thing. What will happen to Xavier?
There is no place for right and wrong over here. This is a battlefield. Only war will happen here. Come on, follow me.
Yo!
Aha, my sugar cane. This is your left hand. This kiss is for right hand. Then now, this is left leg. Okay. I got it. After seeing this doll, I understood properly. Ayo, how do I find out Vasundhara's left hand? Vasundhara's left hand. We'll do it. This is right hand. Oh no, this is left hand.
Appu, this is your favorite auntie's
Come in.
place.
Are you guys happy?
This is a right leg. Let me see. This is left hand. This is right leg. Ayo.
Appu,
I think someone is there in the house.
run, Appu,
What
run.
is this? There is a slight earthquake. Is it only one person coming?
I think there is a thief inside.
Appu, search.
Ayo, Sicily. Ayo, Sicily. Ayo.
Search, Appu. Thief. Hit him. Hit him. Don't leave him.
Hey, sing that line once again.
Happiness.
Hey, not like that. Happiness.
Happiness.
Let's sing for happiness. Yes, yes.
Let us dance with the rhythm. Let us dance.
Let us move with the rhythm. Let us move. We'll enjoy.
Is your officer there?
He has gone for an important meeting.
Happiness. Let's sing
Who
for
are you?
happy. I'm SI Velutambi.
What? You're a Tambi? In Janamaitri Nagar, in SI Velu Tambi's house, yesterday night there was a thief. We have taken him to our custody now. The one who gave idea is escaped. You better go and inform your officer. Wherever he tries to hide, he cannot escape from us.
Happiness. Let's sing for happy.
You can never fool me, got it?
Sir, how did you get inside?
I have started on Magic Academy. Will you join? Get inside. You think police station is a playground? Rascals.
Another thing to say. You're supposed to hit her only after she goes to sleep, right?
121.
You try to tie a girl and hit her. Is this a right way?
There is no right and wrong in this place. Huh?
127.
Now tell me,
132.
why did you make the Xavier to do all these things? Huh?
We didn't send him. He has done all this because he was drunk.
139.
He was drunk. He almost weighs around 120 kilos and he looks like a monster. On top of it, black paint. How dare he enter our house? I know him very well. That guy doesn't have any guts to do all this alone.
You are saying as if we are responsible for this?
You don't have to act so smart.
Don't you want to see your friend? The one who scared the whole Janamaitri Nagar? Cicely?
Just by turning off the light, take an iron rod, hit hands, legs, and everywhere. That's a simple job.
The monster has turned into a tiny fellow now.
Once again, if you do this, you'll pay for it.
I'll take care of you later.
I'll break your another leg also.
How did this went wrong, Xavier?
Oh, you don't know. Cecily's left hand, right hand, everything got confused.
That is why we tell to hold the clutch. You have to be strong in at least one thing, either in left or in right. Especially rowdies. Do you understand, mental fellow?
To lay down a bypass near the town, we have to start the land acquisition. The cabinet has asked us to finish it very soon. We have to send the notice to every single landowner. How many properties have been listed out?
There are 55 houses and we have sent the notice 2 years back itself.
Any objections?
There are no objections as of now. Anyway, let us find out.
To discuss about the compensation strategy, we need to fix a meeting with MLA very soon.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it with immediate effects. And also give a press release.
Sir. Where's Dad?
He's in the room.
What, Dad? Why the surprise visit?
He got upset after watching TV news.
Oh, is that the case? This is not the first time, right? This issue is there from many years.
But this news is very shocking to me because I born and brought up here. All of a sudden, how can I leave this place?
Hey, what, Dad? Just for this one? After having 2 pegs, you won't talk like this.
Not like that. Still, how long will I be alive? How can I shift to the new place altogether? You tell me. We are all old people, right?
Dad, because of that bypass project, many people are vacating the houses. Compared to their problems, ours is a trivial issue.
It's all because of your complaint letter. You mentioned traffic jam in a Karakot junction. See what happened now?
Mom, so what should we do for that? Demolishing the house is okay. When the road comes, the value of the remaining property will go up to 4 times. With that amount, we can definitely buy a good property. Don't worry about it.
You trapped from your own complaint.
Okay. Hey, you go over there. I need to give some medicine to Dad.
Okay, I know. For this, right?
Hey, go, my naughty boy.
Go and get some water.
Okay.
Here, just have 2 pegs. You'll forget everything. Only 2 pegs, okay? The remaining bottle is for me.
Is this small bottle for both of us? That is not going to happen. Go bring the
I
water.
know the buffalo is very thirsty. Dad, let's go.
Yeah, I'm coming.
We are also ready.
Where are you guys going?
To see the house?
Oh, you don't have to go over there. We'll go and sort it.
What you're telling is not right. Let her also choose her house. Call an auto and take her also.
That's right. Better you both go and see the house. Because that should be your choice, right?
Hey, leave that, Dad. It won't work out. Both of you are spoiling my wife. Damodar sir is waiting for us. Let us go to the spot.
In that case, you all get inside. We both will see the house. Come, let's
You're
go.
always on your feet following me, carrying your bag unnecessarily.
Okay, come.
Did you like the house?
Yes, yes. Okay, Vijay, leave.
Yeah, yeah.
Vijayna, about the documents.
Yeah, yeah, I will take care of that.
Dad, do you like the house?
Yeah, go in. It's very nice.
It looks decent.
Nice place for boozing. Is it confirmed?
I think it's almost confirmed. We'll get it registered next week. By the way, who are you?
I'm Thambi. Velu Thambi. Actor. No. I'm SI over here.
Oh,
hello.
He's Xavier Kuber. Businessman.
What happened to your leg?
Road is not proper, right?
I think the road is proper only.
Yeah. You're new to this
Yes,
area,
sir.
right? You'll understand slowly. Whatever it is, it's better you order for this steak. Why?
Before you make any kind of decision, we are not speaking anything. We welcome you to Janamaitri Nagar.
Huh.
See you.
Shall I ask you an important question? Where is the wine shop over here?
Hey, it is right there.
Oh, is it there? Okay.
What is this, Dad?
Simply.
Shh.
By the way, why did he told us to order the steak? Isn't it like mocking something?
What mocking? Just look at the road. Is there any problem with it? Compared to all other roads, this one is much better. I think it is drink and drive case. It does not have your capacity.
Whatever it is, I liked one thing.
What is it?
As he says, our neighbor need not worry for the thieves.
Oh, thieves are better. They just steal our things. They won't scare us. Why does Dad behave like this? He has no concern about the neighborhood or the location. All he wants is a wine shop nearby, that's it. Huh, Manju? It is bigger than this house. For the four of us, it looks like a palace. The house is a bit old. After getting it painted, it won't be a problem. The outside work can be sorted later on. There's one thing which actually makes you very happy. The kitchen is very beautiful. Trust me. Hey, are you listening to me?
I'm just listening. What else can I do? You will only see the house, you will only decide. Ladies are not supposed to give their opinions, right? That is what your policies are.
I think you've not yet understood me. Who knows about your likings apart from me in this whole world? When I was searching for the house, I knew what your likings were. I can look at the house on behalf of you.
Very first time in our life, we are buying a new house. Any girl would like to go with her husband and look for that new house. Sitting behind your scooter, very close to you.
Why are you behaving like a small kid? Are you sad because I went with my dad? If I hadn't taken him with me, he would have felt sad.
It's going to hurt you if your father feels sad. And what about my feelings? You don't care at all.
What is this? Why would you think like that? What are you lacking over here?
No, what am I lacking over here? I'm very happy. Wake up in the morning, go to the kitchen, cook something, serve your food, eat that. But I'm not supposed to talk about my desires. That is how a wife should be. And that is a woman.
Sleep. Don't talk anymore. Turn this side. Look at me. Sweetheart, don't be angry. Okay. Why did you not bring your wife?
Come,
Look at this.
Yeah,
you guys have come
thank
here
you,
like
thank you.
bachelors. Where are your wives?
They are all very busy. General body, local meeting, state meeting, etc. and all.
He is in excitement that he has got a new family. Doesn't matter what time it is, he is going to come here.
Balan. Dad, it's Balan. Come Bala. Why did you not bring Usha and mother?
You know her nature,
Please
right?
come in. Please come.
Hello.
Welcome.
Oh, everyone have arrived. Let's not delay it. Let's start the celebration.
Huh.
Come, please come. Come.
Dad, let's begin.
Start the ritual.
Come, Mom. You do it.
No, let her do it.
Yes, only the people who are fortunate should do this.
Oh, will you keep quiet? When good things are happening, why are you pulling her leg?
Mom, please come.
No, it's okay.
Please come.
Oh, she's calling, right?
Oh my lord.
Oh, I think it's time for me to leave.
Even today you need to go to bank.
The staffs are real useless. Once I reach the bank, I will get to know about their problems. Mom, I'll take a leave. See you, everyone. Dad, make sure there's no cat fight in the house.
Hello.
Sorry, we got late. We had an executive meeting. By the by, who's that old people sitting there? Oh, he's my father. The one who is fat is my husband's father. Oh.
All these old people are waste. Dispose them off as soon as possible.
Please come.
Come.
Look at the way they are staring at us.
Who are these people? They all are our neighbors.
Looking at their looks and style, I think they seem to be troublesome.
Be quiet, they might hear.
Okay.
What is this? Though the house looked small from outside, we thought it would be beautiful. But after coming to the kitchen, we lost all the impression.
Yeah, there is no enough space to turn around.
During recent trend, a kitchen without utility area is hard to imagine. Ayyo, it's horrible.
When you come to see this house, didn't you observe all these things?
Actually, I didn't come here. My husband and his father came to see.
Never mind, Manju. After a few days, demolish this and build a new house.
What kind of a person is your husband? Will he listen to you? Will he take your opinions to all the decisions to be made?
Face is the index of the mind, right?
It's not like that. For all the things, I'll definitely give my suggestions. But
And final decision will always be his. That's the truth.
not like that.
Look at me, Manju. This is not only your problem. The wife is more dominated. It is common in every house.
Women should be united. That's the only solution for this problem.
All like-minded women should be together. To address all these kind of issues, we have Women Equality Association. Men and women are equal. That is our motto.
Ganga, you please give her
Oh,
our
yeah.
brochure. Manju, when you have some time, please pay attention and read this. This is interesting and thrilling too.
Manju, from today, you don't think that you are alone. You can call us for any help and at any time. We are all there for you.
By the way, Manju, next month's meeting is in my home. You should definitely come, okay?
Saturday, it's 23rd.
Don't forget the date.
Okay, darling. See you.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
Manju.
Bye, Manju. She's a very cute girl, right?
Yes, she is.
Women is not men's slave. She is brave enough. Cooking and serving is not alone women's job. If anything happens to women, we will surely fight for it.
Come on. I didn't know you were such a kid.
Try to understand, Willie. I just went to the meeting out of curiosity and they asked about higher officer. And to my bad time, I said he is problematic. That's it.
But they have thrown a net and they're waiting for me, right?
Oh, how will I know that they are feminist?
Speaking like a feminist is just fooling people. Just because they didn't get a man's love, they are just showing their frustration. First they start cursing the men, then the whole world will show their anger towards the men they think. To fall in love, I'm a man here and I'm ready for all those things. Why are you joining in this kind of shit?
Yeah. Even I'll be seeing you only once or twice in a year. If you disappear here, then you will appear only in Dubai.
You are speaking as if I'm going on a round trip. I'm just going for a survivor purpose. In a 5-star hotel, they've asked for a swimming coach, that's all.
In that case, you do one thing. You complete all these works and then you can come and meet me.
Hey, you got angry for that. I was just joking around, that's all.
You know they are waiting for me in the meeting.
Going is all fine. Don't sign any papers, that's all.
Haha, okay.
Why isn't Manju here yet?
She will come. She will definitely come.
We have already told everything and explained it, right?
She's an educated girl with worldly knowledge. She'll definitely come.
If we get to know that males are dominating, at least in the house or even in the office, We are not going to tolerate it. We are supposed to react to it very immediately. None of us are supposed to step back from this decision. We expect you to cooperate in all possible ways to this. Hey woman, what do you say, Ganga Devi?
Hey, see, Manju is here.
Manju, come. Why are you standing here? Come inside. Come.
Oh, hi.
Welcome to Women Equality Association.
Are heartily welcome. Thank you.
I'm so happy.
Thank you.
Come, please come.
Please come.
Huh.
Let's discuss about the important thing.
This Nirosha's issue is becoming bigger and bigger.
What can we do if you just say that? She should write a complaint and give.
Huh?
Ma'am, please give me some more time.
Just by hearing Govinda Kutti's name, she's shivering.
The warrior who fears in the battlefield will be defeated and also be killed.
Which Govinda Kutti are you talking about?
The bank manager where Nirosha works. He is a womanizer. His name is Govinda Kutti.
Please sit. Why are you so hurry?
I don't have time. My husband will come home.
Why are you so scared of your husband, Manju?
Yes,
Sit.
sit.
Are you scared he will hit you?
We'll kill him. A drop of tears comes from Manju's eyes. We all will kill him.
Listen to me, Manju. Now we are not alone. We all of us are together.
Yes.
Manju, you did not tell your husband's name.
Govindan Kutti. Oh. The same person you were talking about.
Huh? What are you doing over here?